Welcome back to my channel. This is Carol Creamy Bee, and I'm here to present to you this look. Now, it's not a Valentine's Day look. It's just a look that I see been going around, and I figured, I'll go ahead and I'll try this look. And I kind of like the way it came out. I use this beauty here, which is the lovely Jaclyn Hill Palette. And let me tell you, the colors in this palette, oh my God. They are gorgeous, and it worked out better than I thought. I thought at first, well, it's not going to work for me because it might not show up right, it might not look right, but I was surprised, pleasantly surprised. I did a look with it before, but I didn't do such a dramatic look. So this time I went ahead with this beauty here and decided to go ahead and do a dramatic look. Now, just to give you a quick peek at these colors in this palette, and I hope you can see it, and I hope the camera does it justice, because honey, they are gorgeous. Gorgeous. And this is the look that I came up with. And like I said, the pigmentation on this palette is amazing. It is amazing. Jaclyn Hill did her damn thing with this palette. So, to see how I achieve this look, I want you to go ahead and stay tuned. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button, as well as the like button, and make a comment or suggestions down below. I always read them, and I always do answer. So, like I said, let's go ahead, let's get into this look. Let's see how this look came out, and how I came about it, really. And, as always, I thank you guys for sticking with me, riding with me. And although with the changes with YouTube, and they swiping my partnership and all that, I ain't going nowhere. I'm going to still try, put it out the best I can, best content, and as much videos as I can. So I'm only hoping that you guys go ahead and continue to ride with me on this journey, and let's just try and build this up and just do something different. So again, this is Carol Creamy Bee. I thank you for your continued support, and let's go ahead and get into this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye, my beautifuls.
Sweet reggae music.
Artlist.io.
In the bones. Sing it out. Oh, yeah. Reggae music around the place. You gotta sing it up. Sing it up now. Say, whoa.
Music licensing reimagined.
Reggae music around the place. Damn. Reggae music, a God bless music. Yes, reggae music, a spiritual music. Yes, reggae music, a hopeful music. Yes, the music, a powerful music. Sing it out.
Artlist.io.
Reggae music around the place. You gotta sing it out.
Music licensing reimagined.
Yes, every corner of the earth you go, reggae music is pumping for sure. Reggae music in control. Reggae music beating in your heart, yes. It's reggae music around the place. Sing it up, yes.
Artlist.io.
Reggae music around the world. Yes, reggae music you can relate to. Yes, the young, yes, and the old. Yes, the rich, yes, and the poor.
Music licensing
If you
reimagined.
wonder if you black, yes. reggae music around the world. Damn.
Artlist
Yes,
IO.
reggae music well designed by the power of the Almighty One. Yes, reggae music well designed by the power of the Almighty One. Reggae music is for everyone.
Music licensing reimagined.
Reggae music around the place. Sweet reggae music. Yes. Reggae music around the place. Ah, yeah. See that? Sweet reggae
Artlist IO.
Reggae music around the place. Ah, yeah. Sweet reggae music.
Artlist IO.